Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today Missy is going to color my hair, and we wanted to explain how we color it and what we color it with. For the bottom of my window that starts back here, I do a 5 double N with a 10 volume. That means deposit only. And I'll show you how much she does in just a minute. And then I use the bleach. She is using 20 volume coming up through this top, and then towards the end we put it with 40 volume. And I also I add our oil to the color and bleach just so it protects while it is lifting the pigment out of the hair. So I'm really loving that oil in the color. So I will just have Missy kind of explain what she is doing, and then we'll just go from there.
Hi everybody. We just are coloring Radona's hair. It's been a month or more probably since we've done it, so we're just redoing her roots. On the bottom, like she said, I covered it with a foil, but I'll pull that off. I covered it to protect the blonde hair so it doesn't fall in it and get dark spots on it. But it's pretty short under there. We just covered it with, like she said, a 5 double N with a 10 volume peroxide just for deposit only. So that was put on. And then up here I'm just going to do a section going up, a center section, and then probably a couple of side sections. We're using bleach with 20 volume. Just redoing the root, so of course just doing the dark part. Radona has finer hair. Her hair texture's pretty soft and fine, so I do pretty small sections because she likes a blonder look. We don't do it super chunky. So I don't leave a section of hair in between. A lot of people, when they weave, will leave a section of hair in between the sections. I don't. Well, I do leave hair between, but I don't do a section and then part another section and weave it. I just do a weave and leave the hair out that I've weaved out, and then do another weave. So, and just being careful to apply the bleach to the root, to the dark root, and of course, you know, when you're working with bleach that it expands quite a bit, so not too close to the root either, because then it will bleed. So I'll do one more here, and then maybe we'll skip to the front and show you, so this isn't such a long process.
Perfect.
So, and probably when I do it, I'm taking probably only a quarter inch section to do her color. So not a really thick section. She likes it to look pretty blonde. And then of course putting it on the roots and just breaking it in a little bit so you don't have such a strict line there. So what I would do with the blonde, of course, I would keep moving forward until we get into the dark. But I'll go ahead and move up to the dark. She's got this little strip of dark in the front, kind of her trademark. She has it quite a bit all the time.
I've loved it.
So.
I got rid of it last summer for a little bit, but I don't know. I just love it, so I'm keeping it for a while. But I'm not going to lie, it feels good to be sitting here instead of behind. It's kind of nice. Okay. And then maybe just show them how big the section is. I've had a lot of people ask.
Like in total space?
Yeah, like how much.
Okay, so let me just part this out so I have... So, and it looks like her sections, it's not even, I wouldn't call it an inch. It's probably 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in section. You can see it's not very much. When I do this part up here, I do slice it instead of weaving it, because you can see there's no blonde in it. It's all a dark color. So I do these pretty small. Just still do a small section. This is the same color as we put on the nape of her neck. So it's the 5 double N with 10 volume. So same thing. You're not going to weave this one out. You're just going to put it in the foil and cover it with color all the way back. So.
And it's gold well and it's top sheet, so it's permanent, just so you know that. So I'm sure some of you will want to know that.
So it looks like we're going to get about, three sections out of this, 3 small sliced sections. So.
Perfect. So anyway, after she puts this dark on, she will finish the top and then she'll do the sides with 40 volume to catch up with the 20 volume, obviously. And I think that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys how she colors my hair, and I hope this answers your questions that you've been asking me, and we really, really appreciate all of your support. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we will talk to you next time. Thank you. See ya.